Damn, making crazy water today. Look at that relative humidity. Yeah. All right, let's get to work. Make it happen. Oh look, I always love coming out to an air show. Yeah, especially when I'm not at an air show. Oh.
Could it be my destiny to be lonely and checking for these hoochies that be on me cause they phony? With you it's different, I got no need to be suspicious cause I can tell my life with you would be delicious. The way you lick your lips and shake your hips got me addicted. I'm sitting here hoping that we can find some way to kick it. Even though I got your digits, gotta struggle to resist it. Slowly advance when it's my chance not to miss it. You blow me kisses.
I'm not getting in that one either.
Another one of those things.
I don't have another one of those.
There you go.
It's $100 if you want to buy some.
I can pay $25 of it.
That would do it.
Be easy. That's the one that pokes in the ground. And don't hit the barrier. Don't hit the pond.
Yeah, try to. Yeah, we were trying to get this. Yeah.
Every time you try to catch that, one super fine.
All right.
I hope it all runs out, all them rocks and stuff.
What'd you do to my camera, dude? You moved it.
There. So it could look at you.
Well, thank you, dude.
24.
40.
2 times 8.
We got fat belly today.
Fishy dish. Coochie's got crazy teeth. They have nubs on the end.
Yeah, I would liken John Wick 3 to crack. That's the best movie I've ever seen, dude. If you like watching people get the shit beat out of them.
You say that about every movie.
Dude, he completely retrained this time. It's knives and swords.
Was there car on man violence?
Look, Carl.
That was John Wick 2 and 1. Car on man violence. There was a
Pick up dog's poop.
motorcycle on horse on bridge violence.
Why?
And man, some of those guys died hard, dude. I mean, that's what I'm saying. The damn shit is so fucking cool. And the bad guys are so fucking cool. I mean, the bad guy in this one, dude, he's just like...
Is that a hot tub for me?
He reminds me of
No,
Brandon
don't
Lee.
get in it. I will whoop anybody's ass.
And that is how you make a pond. Yeah. It's supposed to rain tonight, so get this shored up much better. But that's supposed to drip down into that one. All good. Chickens can fly. What's up, big roosters? Yep. It's the ultimate cardboard trash fire. Give them back to the hard wheel. As you always know, fire pit rules because of the whole around it. Just loves it. Loves the original. And they blow across the fire, blow everywhere. Heart realm. Earth flow. Over this. So yeah. So there's another one of those sundogs. See that right there? That is not the sun. That's the sun. Pretty freaking crazy. Boy, they doing everything they can, like Etch-a-Sketch, to try to cover that up. So there it is. It's just straight on, 12 o'clock. And then there's the sun right over there. And I'm sure way over there is another one of these little point thingies. But, you know, sundog. Look at that shit. Hey, ladies is right. Sundog, people. To the right is the sun. To the left is the sundog. Haha. Heart realm. Look at that big old reflection. Boy, they're doing everything they can to cover it up, too. Sun, reflection over there, left. Gotta drive. Looks like I got fancy today. Yep. Still building it. Hopefully this next green. Slow down, dog. Oh, look. Looks like there's it up there. There's the little horsies again. Almost in the same spot. Look at that. We got real clouds today. Isn't that beautiful? 360-degree pan. Awesome. It'd be great if NASA could do that for all the money that they make. It's like $70 million a day. Think about that. Let's see, and on this lap, yeah, hit the like button. We love horsies. Horsies and Kentucky. Life is good. Oh look, I rustled up some clouds. Some real clouds. Listen to that. It's so quiet, peaceful in the heart realm. You should come join us. Victory over the Decepticons. Hope you're doing good out there. One love. Hey, horsey. What you doing, horsies? Ah, yes. Heart realm clues number 33. The calm before the storm. So, the real question would be, with this particular one, victory over Decepticons, by the way, Real Neo here. Welcome to Heart Realm 33. Congratulations for making it that far. Now we're going to take it almost back to the beginning. The ISS. If the ISS, International Space Station, was actually real and up there with all those people on board, wouldn't every one of those people, or at least a high percentage of those people, come back like being the biggest anti-war people there ever was, because they would have that overview perspective? I'm pretty sure they would, because they would see how absolutely ignorant it is to run around and do all of this PNAC crap, which is Project for a New American Century, in case you're wondering why the US is on the brink of war again, yet again. These people are whack, dude. They're Decepticons. Once you realize they're Decepticons, then you can use your heart realm knowledge and to your own advantage, which is absolutely fantastic. But if the ISS, if those people were actually up there, wouldn't they be more anti-war than even Real Neo is? Because they would truly have that perspective. Now there's been, what, 7,500 people gone up through there? Come on now. They would have the best anti-war perspective there ever was. But you know what? They don't, because guess what? It ain't real. It's rusting. I'll put a link in the description, and maybe we'll expand more as this storm approaches. Maybe I'll have a little bit more time on my hands. But anyway, one love, everybody. Victory over Decepticons. Every day is a day to kick Decepticon booty. Oh look, greenage as far as the eye can see. I love it right before it's storm. Okay, YouTube, let's just take 1 minute for Real Neo to prove yet once again in 2019 how fake YouTube is. So we go over here, we want to go to, let's see, we probably just want our dashboard. So we will go to, click on the video. Oh, as you can see, it's only got one, and it's one me like, and then a thumbs down, right? That's very interesting on 35 views. Let me go over here to edit the video. Oh, what's that there? Same video. Oh. How is that possible there, YouTube? Oh, I know how it's possible, because you're totally freaking a pile of freaking garbage. Garbage. YouTube is garbage. Victory over the Decepticons. Proving it, and like I said, I'll click it back. Let's see. We didn't make any changes, but let's go here. Let's see if it's. Let's see if that fixed it. Oh! Looky there! Ah! This is about as real as the International Space Station. Victory over Decepticons.